A young Tiprasa named Bhaghyajoy Tripura from Kulai Nalichara village, working in a private company at Bangalore, passed away suddenly getting sick on Friday. The corpse of Bhaghyajoy Tripura arrived in the state with the help of Bangalore Tiprasa community on Saturday.
A Tiprasa named Bhaghyajoy Tripura, resident of Kolaini Nalichara village, was working for more than 2 years at Bangalore RMG IT Tech Park, a private company. Along with him, his younger brother was also working at Bangalore, although they were not in the same company. For past few days, Bhaghyajoy Tripura was not feeling too well and took a leave for 2 days from work to take a rest and return to his room on Wednesday. Later on Wednesday afternoon, he suddenly collapsed at the very moment. After seeing him collapse, some of his friends carried him to nearby private hospital, but because he was in a critical condition by then, he was referred to St. John's Hospital. Later, after being in an ICU for 2 days, the doctors declared him dead. But now, how to bring back his dead body in his hometown? His brothers and his friends are worried about it. And in that moment, members of Bangalore Tripura groups, Mr. John Debarma and Mr. Dinesh Debarma, offers their helping hands to them. In the end, with the help of Bangalore Tripura groups and with some amounts from the company itself, they were able to bring back the dead body of Bhaghyajoy Tripura in his hometown. Even if they were not able to help by money, but because they received a help when they needed it most, brother of Bhaghyajoy and his friends are thankful to Mr. Dinesh and Mr. John Debarma for their immense help.
Hai tam khasa ka khotar sa salu bukun sahare anara sarta somai sararo ke sarta kan duty time ke apron ke da kon jeng kan nu phai phai ga ke ka lo pu khai thanga do koron rum ke baro hospital ne sakra hospital ne baro ro boti khai ja ke silem lo reja ka oron ni sing ran kri baro narak male ka kubun ja ro ka kubun ja ro ka ro boti khai ka ko ka ke oron ni ta bo to
Dokter akan kun tu sahata.
Dokter saya report tongo, mana report naik di orang, tam wait hari, orang lepas kuno sebenarnya kau pun jorak kere.
Dokter apa?
Baru yang ini jawan ini baru nanti pelan pelan, ini direct baru mas hari kan.
Agar oleh bom hai kot naro, bom wajib mana kami ro.
Agar kuno tu mana kena ya, mana kisah lungu ini kena wa. Apa hai du barok lung thang kena, apa kakak dok. Sujiro ri jagai kam ke hai kam khai tong tam ti ro le muya ta wa si kono
bisi boson khano yang thang ne
sung khang ke 2 bosor ni kha bisi
2 bosor ka sam khai ban
ang to pro ba ka khaya ang to sa
alka sam khai
kaisa kok sana ma to ma sini ko Bangalore Tripura tim to ye sini ko 7 dinas by sini 7 jonna rangri hui ju by me apana sunga hel khai ka logeri ka airport jara sona flight ticket of khai por ko ri ro ka joto ko oi sunga hel khai ka kisa borok tongina jong bo sok ka borok nugo inkai bui rangri ko so by me apana logeri hui sungna mote ka ko lama ko phunugoi sungna ri ro ka abana belai khai hambai marwo sini 7 jon by 7 dinas na sini Bangalore Tripura team.
Later, the family of Bhaghyajoy Tripura, including the villagers, sent their immense love and thanks to Bangalore Tripura groups. After that, his dead body was brought from MBB airport by the ambulance and was carried all the way to his hometown by the help of his brother and his friends. Bhaghyajoy Tripura has left alone his wife and his 3 sons and has left this world. Reported by Krishanu from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.